I'm Akbar Zahid, and you are watching Arsh channel.
We start with a developing story from the Middle East. Tensions have escalated dramatically following the assassination of Hamas leader Saleh al-Aruri. In a swift and forceful response, Lebanese armed group Hezbollah has fired 62 rockets at an Israeli military base in Meron. Hezbollah claims this was a preliminary response to the killing of al-Aruri in Beirut earlier this week. In a statement released on Saturday, Hezbollah stated, "As part of the initial response to the crime of assassinating the great leader Sheikh Saleh al-Aruri, the Islamic resistance, Hezbollah, targeted the Meron air control base with 62 various types of missiles. Hezbollah leader Syed Hassan Nasrallah had warned on Friday that all of Lebanon would be exposed if there was no reaction to al-Aruri's killing. Nasrallah emphasized that it would certainly not go without reaction and punishment. The Israeli military reported about 40 rockets were fired towards the Meron air surveillance base. Israel responded by striking a terrorist cell involved in the launch. Air raid sirens blared in towns and cities across northern Israel, later also reaching the Israeli-occupied Golan Heights. Al-Aruri was allegedly assassinated in an Israeli attack on Tuesday in a Hezbollah stronghold. Nasrallah has issued a stern warning to Israel against expanding the conflict, stating there would be no ceilings and no rules to his group's fighting if Israel chose to launch a war on Lebanon. The exchange of fire between Israel and Hezbollah has been ongoing since the war in Gaza started in October last year. While the violence has primarily been contained to the border area, recent events have heightened regional tensions. With no end in sight to Israel's war on Gaza and escalating tensions, U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken is currently on his fourth visit to the Middle East, working to address the complex and volatile situation. As the situation rapidly evolves, we'll continue to provide you with the latest updates on this developing story. Our thoughts go out to those affected by the escalating tensions in the region. Stay tuned for more information as it becomes available.